Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be dyeing my natural hair without bleach. I'll be using the dark and lovely fade resist, the honey blonde color, and this kit contains a cream developer, the hair color, and also a conditioner tube and plastic gloves. So guys, this is not my first time dyeing my hair. I still have some spots of burgundy color and some colors I don't even understand on my hair. So the color I expect to achieve is an ombre of medium brown. Since I won't be bleaching my hair, so I won't be able to achieve the honey blonde color. So, and I can use bleach for health reasons, so I just want my hair to be light brown, just an ombre of light brown. The first thing I do is to pour my hair color into the applicator bottle, which contains the cream developer, then mix everything together. Afterwards, I'll be applying my hair grease to my edges. Guys, I don't even understand why I do this. I think it should be a kind of protection, but this dye didn't burn my scalp at all. I didn't feel any tingle in my head, on my scalp. So I section my hair and start applying the color mixture to my hair.
You're the night sky trying to make me see your stars, but the dark gets so lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence. In the dark's all that I see. When your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound, I'll find violet in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky. You're the night sky hiding behind dark gray clouds. I can't figure you out now. I see all blue. There is so much cold in you, and the silence is so loud when you go. I just stay dancing with my shadow all day. Watch the tide. I can't find the point where our two pass the line, but you're the night sky. I'm trying to see your stars, but I've always feared the dark. Now I see violet, I can feel your silence. You always feel so far when your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound. I'll find violet in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky. Be my night sky.
applying the dye, I cover my hair up in cling film. This is to help the color process. Don't worry guys, it's not going back to my kitchen.
Night sky trying to make me see your stars.
After using the cling film, I cover it up with a plastic bag. And the shower cap as well.
And your heart makes no sound. I'll find valid in your eyes.
I'm going to leave the color on my hair for about 30 minutes. It says for natural hair, it's better to wait for 30 minutes. The dye came with a conditioner tube, so I'll be using the conditioner, and also I'll also be using my own deep conditioner. So see you guys when I'm done. This is what my hair looks like now. I love this color. It's not blonde since I didn't bleach my hair. I love the brownish or urban color. Guys, tell me the color you see. Whatever color it is, I love it. Thank you so much guys for watching. Thank you so much. Please like this video and subscribe. See you in my next upload. Bye bye. Ciao.
I'll find valid in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky.